Welcome to an in-depth look at the Chambers Dictionary of World History, your essential guide for students, exam aspirants, and history enthusiasts alike. This comprehensive dictionary clearly connects historical events, influential people, and significant movements across time. It offers alphabetical coverage from ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt to modern eras, including the Renaissance, World Wars, and decolonization. The dictionary provides a balanced global view, explaining not just what happened, but why these events truly matter. Written in simple, direct language, its concise entries are perfect for quick reference and revision, making it ideal for students preparing for competitive exams. Discover key personalities like Alexander the Great, whose conquests shaped the Hellenistic world, and Julius Caesar, who transformed the Roman Republic into an empire. Learn about Ashoka's embrace of nonviolence, Gandhi's impactful resistance, and Nelson Mandela's fight against apartheid, all presented with balanced perspectives. This dictionary helps trace the roots of modern global issues and serves as an invaluable companion for your historical studies. It's a truly valuable guide to humanity's rich and complex story,